show you guys how to make a sweet potato salad with quinoa. This recipe is super easy and very tasty, so let's get started. So what you guys are going to need is a bunch of salad. You're going to need a half cup of quinoa, boiled and washed. A half red onion, chopped into very thin pieces that look like this. So you're going to need a sweet potato. You're going to need to boil it, then peel it, and then after that slice it like into this size. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of Berbare / chili powder. You're also going to need 2 garlic cloves chopped into little small tiny pieces. You're also going to need a sprinkle of black pepper, a sprinkle of salt, about a tablespoon of white vinegar, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and you're going to need half of a lemon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lemon in half. It's already washed. Also, one thing I forgot to tell you, you're going to need some tomatoes. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make our dressing. So we're going to squeeze half of the lemon. With the olive oil I already have in my cup. Okay. Sorry. And then after that, I sprinkle some pepper. Or I'm just going to. And then I'm going to sprinkle some salt. Put my Berbare / chili powder. And I'm going to put my chopped garlic cloves. And I'm going to put my white vinegar. So I put all of my ingredients for the dressing, and I'm going to mix it all together. And after that, I'm going to make it stand until my sister is going to put the other ingredients. And also, while she's putting the other ingredients, I'm going to chop the tomatoes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sprinkle these 3 ingredients. First, I'm going to start out with the sliced red onions. I'm going to sprinkle it all over. And just so you know, I already chopped the salad. And don't forget to wash the salad. And then after that, I'm just going to sprinkle my sweet potatoes that are already baked. I mean boiled, sorry. Spread it out. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to sprinkle my quinoa with a spoon. So I finished spreading out all those 3 ingredients, and now I'm going to wait until my sister is done with the tomatoes. I'm done cutting all the tomatoes, and it looks like this. So I'm going to sprinkle it around the salad. So we spread. My sister put the tomatoes in. And it looks so good, and because we spread all the ingredients. And last but not least, we're going to drizzle our dressing all over the place. And then with this spoon, I'm just going to mix it. You can make this in a few minutes, and it's very easy and healthy and tasty, and it's looking pretty good. As you can see, our salad looks like this. It looks so good, and most of all, the best thing about this salad is it's very, very healthy. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends and family. And don't just watch the video, make it!